Our kids have been just so excited for what they've been able to come into this week.
It was really exciting because we were all happy to be back here at our new school, and it looks amazing now.
I like inside a lot. Probably the K12 room the most though. They have a lot of fun toys in there.
I like the K2 classrooms.
Our learning spaces are fantastic. The way that they flow in between the classrooms, as well as the library, the canteen area, all those spaces are great spaces for us to learn and grow together. It'll change the way that we teach, the way that we can move between spaces and break off into different groups, undertake different tasks at different levels for different students and tailor our learning for our kids. So we have a long and rich history here at Blakebrook, dating back to 1907. So the way that we've incorporated the old into the new is to think about those elements that are important to our community, whether it be the school bell, bus shelter, community garden, and moving forward, Bundjalung language has been an important part of our signage plan through the naming of different spaces. Our school has been through to the state finals numerous times over the last decade, so sporting culture is a strong one here for us.
I love the big soccer field at Blakebrook Public School. Everyone's allowed to play soccer.
I'm very excited to play soccer on our home field.
I really like probably the yarning circle.
My favourite part of the new school is the Cola area because it's such a big space and you can play handball.
Having the school rebuilt is the start of a new chapter for us. It's recognising that we have a long and rich history that we are very, very proud of, whether it be on the sporting field or in academics. It's an opportunity to expand on that as well, connect further with our community, share in this wonderful space with our broader community to make us a hub of the community moving forward.